Hello and welcome back to SmackDown SEO. This is Paul and this is the section about article ranks. I just wanted to make a video for you to show you how you can use article ranks. This is a blog network that you can use after you buy credits, but it also gives you the opportunity to post your content without even having to pay a dime. If you want to pay per submission, you can buy 10 credits to post your articles for $20, and each submission costs 4 credits. Or you can earn credits. You can earn credits through article ranks by publishing their articles on your site. If you have a domain with a page rank of 1 or greater, you can earn credits by giving them the privilege to post content on your domain. You can also receive credits to post at article ranks when you register accounts at social bookmarking sites and provide article ranks your login details. This is an easy way for earning credits, but it does require consistent work if you want to earn more credits for posting your content. I like the option of just setting up your site with them. That way you will earn credits all the time, and you don't have to work anymore. It's a set it and forget it approach. I found this to be the best option. If you do not have a website with a page rank of 1 or greater, then I will show you how to get one very inexpensively in the later video. And here we are at articleranks.com. This is the section where you could submit a social site and receive credits. These are the supported sites. You can just log in, create accounts with these, and then provide your username and password, and then you can receive your credits that way. Or you can go up here and go into add your site and then provide them with your username. If you don't want to give them your username, then you can create a username for them so that they can log into your site and post content there. In this section, you need to provide them with your URL or email address to set everything up. It is a simple process, and once you get it set up, then you can earn credits on a daily basis. My balance looks to be 95 credits, and this is something that I consistently earn. After I've set up my site, it just earns more and more credits for me, so it's pretty neat. And after you've set up your site through article ranks, then you can post to their network for free.